Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm like, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be fun. This is a different video today. I am doing the assumptions tag. Is it even a tag? Am I supposed to tag anybody? Nobody tagged me. I just decided to do it. Anyway, I asked you guys on Instagram, like, oh, do you want me to do the assumptions tag or the unpopular opinions? And I actually wanted to do the unpopular opinions one, which I still might, but you guys voted for the assumptions. And so then I put on my Instagram stories, what are some assumptions you have about me? And you guys like know me like an open book. I must be maybe an overshare. I don't know, but I feel like you guys nailed it. If it's a contest, you win. My audience is the most in tune to who I am, because except for maybe 2 or 3, I feel like everything you're just kind of spot on. So I hope this isn't boring. I'm just gonna go through what you guys made assumptions for, and I will say if they're true or not, or I don't know, just kind of, you know, expand on them. The first assumption is that I'm nice and I love animals. And that is true. I think I'm nice. I'm a nice person. I mean, I am. I'm a nice person. I give generous tips in restaurants and places, and I smile at people, and I hold the door open, and I make sure that the elevator door doesn't close on someone who's approaching and stuff like that, right? I'm a basic nice person. I'm a basic nice person. Okay, this was funny, and I think I'm like, are you pulling my leg? Because she and I definitely talk through Instagram, so I'm like, no. You run a tight ship and keep a schedule and a clean house, and she is so wrong. No. So I don't keep that much of a clean house. It's a little cluttered. It's not filthy, it's just cluttered. I don't run a tight ship. I like routine, and I have, I guess you would say I have a routine, and I've always done that with my kids, but we are not like completely disciplined, and we'll eat TV or dinner in front of the TV almost every night. We're pretty casual. We're just, yeah, I don't make my kids eat their vegetables, because sometimes, well, I eat a lot of vegetables, but sometimes even I don't eat them. Sometimes my husband won't eat it. So I'm like, I don't really limit screen time, because I don't limit screen time of my own. My kids are older. I mean, my daughter is going to be 19 next week. Oh my God. Okay. It's okay. I'm fine. Anyway, yeah, Emma's turning 19 and Owen's gonna be 16. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Here's what I am a stickler about. Get to the point, Rebecca. I have to know who they're with. So if they get somewhere, they have to call me or text me. I have to know the address of where they're at. Like if they're at a friend's house and I don't know that friend, you know, let's say he says, oh, we got a ride to so-and-so's from bowling. And I'll be like, well, who's so-and-so and what's their address? I have curfews, I have bedtimes, and yeah. So that's kind of a stickler for that. You have a housekeeper. Yes. Every other week I have someone clean my house, because I'm terrible at it. But it's good. It forces me to straighten up and purge and do things that I probably wouldn't do on a regular basis, because I'm just not built that way. Some people are really good about organizing and, you know, just kind of maintaining, and I'm not. You can be a badass when the situation calls for it. No damsel in distress. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so I'm both. I think I like to sometimes sort of lean on my husband for things like there is a dead rat in the yard. Can you please, actually no, I was the one who scooped up the last dead rat. Huh. And trust me, I don't know where it came from. I think a raccoon got it. Anyway, but there's things, you know, that I'm just kind of like, can you do that for me? Because it's gross. But then, no, there was this thing going on at school, and I'm not going to name names or get detailed because I feel like, I don't know, I don't want to like be sued for libel or something. Slander, that's spoken versus print. Yeah, there was a substitute that was doing gross things on Twitter. And I took screenshots of his tweets and I went to the school and I'm like, this is bullshit that you guys have him here. And they were like trying to act dumb and like, oh, we didn't know. And I just wasn't gonna have it and I got him fired. That's the short story. There's a longer version of that, but yeah, so I was, do not come at me with, he's sorry and he deleted his tweets. You have inappropriate pictures of 14-year-old girls in shorts and you're a teacher? Don't start with me. Hi, okay. You're a dedicated mom. Yes, I am. Can't spell smother without mother. I'm gonna get that on a license plate holder. Okay, used to work in sales. No, I mean, yes, retail. My husband's in sales. I didn't work in sales. Like I didn't like do telemarketing or go door to door or even just like work for a company but I did retail. So just making sure that clarification, right? Okay. You're a big fan of the UK, judging by your TV viewing. Yes, I am. My dad is English. He was born in he's born around the Stoke-on-Trent area. My family, his side of the family is all still there. I have cousins, aunt and uncles, that kind of thing. And I am an Anglophile. I have an obsession with England and the royal family and everything British. I kind of have a collection of Union Jack things. That has settled down some. I don't buy every tea mug I see with the Union Jack on it. And I am a huge fan of British procedural crime TV shows. My favorites being Happy Valley, Luther, I'm probably missing one or two. The Fall. Yeah, love them. Yeah, I can only think of those right now. I tried, but I hate this. I can't assume anything about anyone. You've done stand-up. I have. So I've done stand-up, like official stand-up once. They didn't ask me back. Darn it. But I've also hosted things where I kind of do a little shtick, and I've done that several times. So yeah, I dig it. It's fun. I think I will do more stand-up in my lifetime. I know it. It's in me. And I feel like, I mean, it's a craft. You have to work at it. And so just doing it a few times and being like, yeah, no, you got to really work at it. And timing is everything, preparing material, that kind of stuff. And so it's a lot, but there's something terrifying and amazing about it. And yeah, you'd be a wonderful friend. I think so. I'm a Leo, so I'm very loyal. You're a boss-ass bitch. That is from Emma. Thank you, Emma. I think that's a compliment. Oh, I believe that because of your kind personality, you once had a career as a nurse. Oh, no, but that's so sweet. I think because having a sister with special needs, my parents have had health issues, having a daughter with chronic illness, it's like I actually, when I'm in hospitals or those kind of medical environments, I am asked by nurse or doctors, oh, are you a medical professional? Like, are you a nurse? Or because I know the terminology and I kind of have some of the, but I think that's just kind of the vernacular. But I like to think that I have a good bedside manner. So thank you. Oh, you have a great sense of humor. Yes, I do. Your assumption is correct. Thank you for watching. You have a perfect relationship with your daughter. You know, I mean, it is perfect because I feel like it's a good balance. I mean, nothing's perfect, but you know, I prayed so hard for her and for us in our relationship, and we've been through so much, more than maybe a typical mother and daughter would be, that has either can strengthen or weaken a relationship, and I think it made us stronger. And I'm just so grateful that she trusts me and enjoys my company, and I feel the same way about her. And occasionally, you know, I still have to mother her, and I kind of have to tell it to her straight, or I call it parenting. Like, I'll be like, excuse me, it's time I parent you. And I'll like tell her something I'm concerned about. But she just, yeah, she's a remarkable person. So I feel like I just kind of hit the lottery. And then our friendship is like a huge giant icing on a big yummy cake. So it's pretty great. Okay. Somebody wrote, you're basically the Yoda of skincare and makeup. And I love you. Thank you. I don't think so. I have a lot to learn. I think everything is all about learning. I feel like I do my homework and I put the work in, and yeah, I've also paid my dues, so to speak, you know, like I feel like I didn't just show up today and decide I want to be an influencer or a, you know, this or that. Just, I mean, I feel like I've put in the time. So little green man, hundreds of years old with ancient wisdom, probably not, but close. I assume you were the class clown in school. You know, I wasn't. I got like most dramatic and most likely to go to Broadway. And then I was always given the comment in my report card, does great work, but talks too much to others. And yeah, so I was a talker and I was a sharer. And I was into dramatizing things. I think I said a few funny stuff back, you know, like on occasion, but I wasn't kind of the clown. That was always a boy. Everybody always thought that was a boy. But let's be real. I mean, I probably was the class clown now that I think about it. Yeah. Class wit. Oh, I assume you are a college graduate. Yes, I am. I am a double degree, which I like to point out. I have 2 degrees, 2 Bachelor of Arts degrees, not just one with like double major. No, no. I have a degree in theater and a degree in journalism, and I find them to be very useful despite not actually going into those fields, which I think is up for interpretation because I think I'm kind of doing it right now. Yeah. Oh, you're a great mom, smart, funny, accomplished, love animals, and a great wife. Oh, yes, I am. I mean, I do love animals, and I think I'm a pretty great wife. I bring my husband his coffee every morning and his slippers. No, I do not bring him his slippers. But I mean, we have a good partnership, and I do look after him pretty well. and he looks after us, and yeah, I support him. We know we have rules to support each other, you know. We don't play dirty. Not outside the bedroom, anyway. But yeah, oh my God. Okay. I think that's everything. Yeah, so you guys, like I said, you kind of nailed it. I know. I'm sorry. I need to be a little more mysterious. I need to be a little more coy and let things, you know, be left up to the imagination, but that's just not my style. Hey, I will, this was fun, and let me know if you want to do any other videos like this in the future. I kind of do want to do the unpopular opinions. I love stuff like that. I love telling people what I don't like and that everybody else is like, and then I'm like, yeah, because I'm like to stir the pot. I mean, yes and no. I kind of don't like conflict, but I also, I don't know. I like doing them because I think it's fun to find out other people who feel the same way, and then you're like, yes, and then you feel like this kinship because you thought you were the only person that felt that way. Yeah. So, alrighty. Well, thanks so much, guys. This was fun, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and all that good stuff. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment. I'm telling you all these things to do, and but I'll say please, okay? Alrighty, guys, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.